Welcome back, traders. How are you? It's Friday. Yes, we've made it, guys. And it's been a great week. I hope you've had a great trading week as well. And as always, guys, today we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's start with yesterday. Let's start with Thursday. And let's look at the trade that I actually took, okay? And then we can look at the other trades and why perhaps I didn't take them. So pound New Zealand, guys, we were looking at this pair. All right, why were we looking at it? Well, we look at the day chart to get your bias for the day. And once we got back down to here, yeah, my bias was to buy this pair ever since it's come down here. All right. And then we also got this super bullish candle, guys, as well. Yeah. And the idea was just to take it back up to these highs. Okay. But we've been buying it from down here, guys, because here there is such good value. I know I talk about value a lot, but it's all about value. If you're buying something, you want value. Okay, so yeah, that was the idea. We're with structure, bullish candle, just want to ride this, buying pressure back up to these highs here. So if we drop down to the H1, guys, this is more of a H4 play, but I wanted to be careful how you say that. But this was more of a H4 trade than a H1, because if you look on the H1, guys, we pinpointed this important level here at the start of the day. And then, we want to be with H1 structure, but then H1 structure broke down. Okay. So at this point, we don't really have a trade on the H1 because we like to be with structure, but price came down and hit this a couple of times. So I actually entered here, guys, when price come back down, yeah, and really just reacted at this gray zone, and I entered here. Yeah, I wasn't with H1 structure, but this was a really good entry, because if we look at the H4 now, I mean, look at that. That is like a beautiful, wonderful, amazing entry. Yeah, if we do it's the usual one, guys. When price comes down, yeah, what was once resistance, when it breaks and retests, becomes beautiful support. Yeah, through here. This pattern, guys, I cannot express to you enough. This pattern is a thing of wonder. Yeah, you get such good trades trading this pattern, and you get such good risk to reward. Yeah, because you've still got all this room to move into. All right, and look at it, guys. It bounced off our horizontal support and the moving average 20. Yeah, what is not to like about this H4 trade? On the H1, perhaps it didn't make total sense, but on the H4, absolutely beautiful, clear, great clarity trade. Yeah, great trade. We go back to the H1, guys. It was actually this candle, like I say, though, that I entered on. I entered here, put my stop below here. Yeah, and we've been taking price. I'm still in this trade for 20% and carrying it on up. So yeah, wonderful trade yesterday, pound New Zealand dollar, and all happened very quickly. So that was the trade I did take. We also looked at Euro New Zealand dollar, but this just didn't give us as good a setup. Again, price broke down. Yeah, and once we got here, guys, we didn't really have any candles that really filled us with confidence to buy this pair. We're arguably getting lower highs. Yeah, and then it breaks down. So again, at this point on the H1, we didn't really have a trade. And I traded pound New Zealand dollar. I didn't trade this pair. But if you look at H4 again, guys, yeah, we're seeing a lovely reaction off the moving average 20. Okay, so it was coming down. We were clearly, in an uptrend. And again, it becomes a little bit more clearer on the H4 in terms of a trade to come back up. So, you know, generally speaking, H1 time frame is my entry time frame. But look at the H4. Sometimes the H4 gives you some wonderfully clear trades. Yeah, if you look at the H1, we're not sure what's going on. Yeah, we're not sure what's going on. Look at the H4. It's a brilliant trade and very clear. You know, and also, guys, you know, update your grey zone. So there's clearly an area through here now that's just been confirmed, you know, with these last lows here. So there's definitely something going on here now. Yeah, where price has reacted many times. So this becomes a grey zone as well. All right, guys. So yeah, both of those trades would have been successful once we got down, you know, to those H4. Yeah, once we got down to these H4 moving average 20s. Yeah, great play off this dynamic support. So those are the trades. We also looked at, New Zealand US dollar, but this just never came down, guys. It just built up all day. If we look at the H1, yeah, we had some price action here, but nothing told me to start selling this, guys. Yeah, if anything, we're getting higher, you know, we're getting higher lows. Yeah, and just look at the candles as well. Bullish, bullish. This is not bearish because of the wick. Bullish, maybe bearish, but then look at the wick. You know, we get this wick, green candle. You know, nothing in here was telling me to short this pair. And then bang. And then once we see this candle, you know, we've had a change in H1 structure, you know, and all bets are off. Yeah, we're not interested in this pair anymore. All right, and that was the same with Aussie dollar, US dollar, and we was also looking at Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. And again, yeah, we were trying to short this pair. If we look at the day chart, guys, yeah, we were trying to short this pair because of this, you know, wonderfully bearish candle. We're in a downtrend. Yeah, it was at a very good area of resistance. There wasn't much not to like about this trade, but we got this massively green candle instead. So, you know, if we drop down to the H1 now, we were trying to short it for those reasons. But if we drop down to the H1, this is why it's so important to have your criteria. Yeah. So price comes down, guys. Yeah. We again, nothing in here. If I got a big red candle that started breaking, you know, out of all of this chop, then yeah, I'd start selling this. But, you know, none of these candles met our criteria, just sideways action and then bang. Ever since we broke out of this chop, it was just a massive uptrend. Okay, so I can't sell this pair. You know, I need to be with H1 or H4 structure, and I wasn't with H1 structure. And if you're going to sell a pair, guys, which I was interested in doing with this pair, if you're going to sell, find some sellers. Yeah. No sellers, no seller, no seller, no seller, no seller, no seller, no seller. Maybe some sellers are starting to appear up here. We get a break of this, but all day yesterday, no sellers. And if we look on the H4 as well, guys, absolutely from the word go, no sellers. Yeah, if there's no sellers, you do not sell. Yeah, I know it may seem obvious, guys, but lots of people don't read the candles. They just see price react, you know, get to an area of support and resistance. They're like, oh, sell, sell, sell. No, you need to see sellers if you're selling. You need to see buyers if you're buying. Okay, guys. So yeah, but we also had a buy on gold yesterday, which was a great trade, guys. And I put all of these trade ideas in my VIP Discord channel. So if you haven't joined that already yet, guys, come join the VIP Discord. Right, guys, let's look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, maybe you took some of the trades, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and if everyone right now could stop what they're doing and smash the like button. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds. Let me hear the like button being clicked. Wonderful. Thank you for clicking that like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel, guys. Right, so trades for Friday the 9th of June. Before I get started, let me just tell you some cool things that the channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. Yeah, you've got trade ideas. We've got indicators, general chit chat, useful links, things on psychology, loads of cool things in there, guys. So come join us for that. Also, guys, we've got VIP Discord. You do have to pay for VIP Discord, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. Like, you can ask me questions as you go. We give you access to my trades as and when they happen. You also get exclusive content. There's lots of exclusive content, access to a performance coach, loads of cool things on there, guys. All right, so come join one or both of them. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be mentored or coached by myself one-on-one, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information about the mentorship program. Yeah, you'll find the email on our YouTube channel. Thirdly, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, maybe you watch these videos every day, then you can join YouTube membership now. There's some cool little perks to joining. It's not a lot of money. Come join. And lastly, guys, don't forget we do live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready. Right, okay, guys, enough of all that. We do cool things. Check them out. All the information's in the video description. Right, trades for Friday the 9th of June then, guys. So it's all about US dollar weakness. Yeah, so those initial jobless claims figures last night had a very big impact on the US dollar, which we wasn't expecting. So yeah, it really, they were a big miss on expectations. So, it has led to US dollar weakness today, and also some trend changes in dollar. All right. So this is one of them, guys. So this is a trade idea. This is Euro US dollar. Yeah, we were in a downtrend. Okay. And then bang. Yeah, we have broken these highs here. Okay. So this candle here is also super bullish, but it's broken these highs, more importantly. Therefore, we have higher highs. And if you look on this downtrend, it stopped making lower lows. That is also a red flag that trend could be changing. All right. So we are now in an uptrend. Okay. So we're looking to buy this pair today. Okay. If we drop down, some of these trades are a bit of a H4 play, really, guys. I've got to be careful when I say that. A bit of a H4 trade, okay? Because the grey zones I'm seeing are H4. Yeah, so we've got an area through here where price reacted a couple of times. So, price could retrace back down to this level. If it does, great. The moving average 20 will catch up with this level. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction in here. We can start taking price higher. I would take some profit here and then let it run. Okay, so that's how it looks on the H4. If we drop down to the H1, guys, yeah, we've had, this is quite an aggressive move. So price might not retrace all the way down to here. All right, so what might happen, guys, is price retraces down to the moving average 20, and then we get a bullish reaction. Okay, so there's a couple of options. Yeah, on the H1, it might retrace to the moving average 20. On the H4, this grey zone. All right, but what I'm looking for is a bullish reaction, and perhaps a build up on the M15 or something like that as well, guys. All right, but Euro US dollars a buy. And there's a few US dollar pairs that are like this, guys. If we look at pound US dollar, also a potential trade idea. Well, not potentially, it is a trade idea. Yeah, so I'm going to remove this. because our target is back up here. So if you look at the weekly chart, guys, yeah, we're clearly in a weekly uptrend. Yeah, and we just want to take price back up to these highs. That's the idea on the weekly chart. If we go to the day chart now, you know, we really have had a build up now of structure, and we're, you know, 100% in an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, simple as that. Try to take price back up to here. Again, guys, we've got a couple of ways we could trade it. So we do have a level through here, yeah, where price has reacted before. So price could retrace all the way down to here. This will probably take a day to do this. So it might, you know, this trade might not happen today, but you know, if it does, you know, if it retraces down to here, but when it does, this offers excellent value, guys. We want to see a bullish reaction. We can then take price back up to here. I would take some profit and then let some money run on this trade. Or because it's such a bullish candle, price might only retrace down to the moving average 20. Yeah, we can use the moving average 20 as dynamic support. And if it does, guys, we're still looking for a bullish reaction. Yeah, we get that reaction, we can start looking for buys. Okay, guys, and there's one, well, I'm also gold. Gold is a good US dollar pair, really. You know, we could buy gold as well. But the last one on the US dollar pairs is this, is US dollar Swiss franc. So if we look at the day chart, guys, let's look at the weekly chart as well, because it's in such a nice area for shorts. Yeah, look at this. You know, on this weekly chart, it's coming down nicely. Look at that. At the moving average 20, at the area of horizontal support. Yeah, moving average 20 support. Everything, you know, getting a bearish candle, not formed yet. We take price back down to here. Yeah, on the weekly chart, that is a real nice entry. And then if we look at the day chart, you know, also nice. I mean, there is this bit of support running through here. I wanted to point that out, but I'm still happy to short this pair. I want to see it retrace to here, and then we come down. But let's look at the H1, guys, to see what we are seeing. So, yeah, so this is that grey zone I was speaking about, guys. Yeah, we want price to potentially retrace into here. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction. Yeah, we can then take price lower. Similar again, I'll take some profit here, let some profit run. If it doesn't happen, guys, it could just retrace to the moving average 20. Yeah, and again, we get a bearish reaction. We can start taking price lower. So they're very obviously, they're very similar trades, all of those US dollar pairs that I've just shown you. But that's what I'm looking at, guys. And also gold. We could buy gold today. We had a lovely trade on gold yesterday. I'm also looking at, I am looking at more pairs, but let me just show you one more pair, guys. Yeah, let me show you this one. And before I show you this, guys, yeah, if you're enjoying this analysis and want to receive it every single day, then subscribe. Everyone subscribe to the channel. Come join us, yeah, and smash that notification button. And guys, if everyone could please just smash the like button right now, please, while I have a drink of vodka. Okay, thank you for smashing the like button. Thank you for your support and watching the channel. Yeah, the last trade there are a couple more, but this one, yeah, because we saw some Swiss franc strength yesterday, guys. Yeah, it really did. And arguably, we're in a bit of a range. Well, not arguably, we are. Okay, so we're at the top of this range. So potentially, I think we have a bit of room back down to at least the moving average 20. Okay, so we're going to put in, yeah, let's say around here, around 75. Okay, so that's our target, guys. And all we want to see is a breakdown in structure. And that's what we've already seen on the H1. So you can see this level through here. We was in a H1 uptrend, and then bang, you know, we've started to break this level. All right, so all I'm looking for now, guys, is a retrace back into this level. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction, and then we can start taking price lower. Okay, so yeah, this is also a trade idea for today. Okay, guys, so those are my trade ideas. I hope you've enjoyed them. If you have, everyone smash the like button. Come join us. Join Discord. Yeah, enjoy the channel. Right, guys, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 9th of June, guys. So, as you can see, there's no 3-star ratings. If we scroll down, however, yeah, I think this figure here, 130 London GMT coming out of Canada, the unemployment rate, yeah, this is going to have an impact on the Canadian dollar. Okay, so we must be aware of this news at 130 coming out, guys. But other than that, you are pretty free to trade today. And that's it, guys. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day. Have a nice weekend, and I'll catch up with you Monday, guys. See you later.